What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja, and in today's video we are back with another wig install. Today's unit is from BeautyForever here. So this is the wig we're installing straight out the box. This is what it looks like. It is your 24-inch 6x4 Jerry curls frontal unit, and this one has the new earnet wig that allows your hair to breathe. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, ready to wear, fully customized with the adjustable band attached to it already. Everything was pretty much done to the unit. It's 100% glueless, 100% beginner friendly. If you want to get this unit, I will be linking the unit down below. Just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. Also send us this little tape that goes right on the part to make it look more realistic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. Just gonna apply a little bit of wax stick. Oh, what I'm about to do, I am gonna cut some of the lace off. I feel like it's just too straight, so I'm just gonna cut it in a zigzag motion to blend it a little bit better with my hairline. So this is it. I did cut a little bit off of the lace just to blend it a little bit better. This is what it's looking like. I really love what it's giving right now. So let's go ahead and finish styling the unit. So this is it. Super fluffy, super pretty. So this is the final look, guys. The unit is super gorgeous. Like, I just love it. Super fluffy, very easy to install. I literally used like 3 steps to install this, and super soft. I love these curls. It's given defined, soft, and fluffy. I love it. This is it. Unit overall is super pretty, super soft, very easy to install. It's 100% glueless, 100% beginner friendly, ready to wear. If y'all want to get this unit, I will be linking the information down below. Go ahead and check out my description. Again, this unit is from BeautyForever here. This is their 24-inch Jerry Curls frontal unit. Super pretty, love it. This is it. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Super fluffy. Even in the wet state, it is just so pretty, so defined. The curls are super soft. I just love it. This is it, guys. This is where I'll leave you for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.